Hello everyone, this is 1988 RV car Fiat Ducato 2.5 turbo diesel. This is my first project. I try to repair this somehow. I don't know how, because my mechanical skill is zero and my carpenter's skill is zero. Actually, I don't know how do I repair this, but I start looking the YouTube videos. There's the guy, so many guys and so many projects, they fix everything. So I tried that. I take this challenge. I looked the YouTube video how to repair some parts, and then I try to doing that myself. Yeah, like this. There is in the hole. You see in the inside there. This part is off. There's so many things broken. So I hope you watch this and leave me a comments and hints what I do, and I really wanna learn how to fix things. So that's the reason I start this project. I hope you help me that journey. It will be very long journey. I upload all the parts what I do in this car and what I make, and of course I need lots of help, and so I hope you guys give me some tips what I'm doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's see what's happening. See first part when I start to rip off inside section. Bye.